listen and read. Schools in the UK.
This is a primary school in the UK. The building is old. The school day in the UK usually starts at 9 o'clock and finishes at about 3 o'clock. Most British children wear school uniforms. At this school, the uniform is a red jumper, a white shirt, and a grey skirt or trousers. British children use book bags. Every day they take books home in their book bags. They read the books after school. Some schools have an outdoor lesson once a week. This lesson is called Forest School. These children are building with sticks in their Forest School lesson.
Fun fact. At some schools, children sleep at school on weekdays and go home at the weekend, or only for holidays. This is called a boarding school.